In this video, I will show you how to create an Easyjet account. So make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial to learn how to sign up, add your details and get your account ready so you can book flights, manage trips and access your bookings more easily. Also, before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is head over to easyjet.com, which is the official website for Easyjet. From here, if you look in the top right hand corner, you're going to see a sign in button. Give that a click. What that's going to do is open a window like this, and from here, if you look down towards the bottom, underneath the sign in button, you're going to see it says don't have an account, and there's going to be a link to create account. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you across to the account creation screen. So from here, what you need to do is go through and fill in your sign-in details, which are going to be an email address and password. And once you've done that, you just want to go through and put your actual account details. So that's going to be your name and address, and your contact details as well. Once you've entered all your details, you're going to see a section down here as well about what flights you're most interested in. Now, you don't necessarily have to choose this. As you can see, it is completely optional, so you can skip this if you want to. And then there's a section about Easyjet offers and updates. So if you want to receive information about offers, competitions or updates, make sure to select yes here. And then what you want to do is click the box here to confirm you're not a robot. And once that's done, you can click the register now button. As you can see, you're now going to get a window saying your account has been created, and you should have a welcome email which will be sent to your registered email address. By this point, you can see you can just click on to sign in and then just sign in with your details. And once you've done that, you can now go ahead, start booking flights through your Easyjet account. So that is how to create an account on Easyjet. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.